you just slip from friends, and sometimes the friends, they just goes like, well, you know, you have to help yourself, and you are looking for everywhere to go, and every day you expect to say, I'll get somewhere to go and stay, and then at the end of the day you're still back to the same situation. Until those organizations did send me to Praxis, because they tried their best, they could not find me somewhere to stay, so they sent me to Praxis. And first of all, I was given in a hotel to stay for over the weekend and some money to eat. And then on the following Monday, I went there, and then they talked to two families, two single mothers, for me to go and stay there. And they asked me to say, are you able to go and stay there? First of all, I was so scared. I said, how are they going to not take me because I'm homeless and you are a refugee, and they don't know me and I don't know them with their families. But then I said, we're going to try and see what happened. And then I came, brought me there, and they welcomed me. And there were two mothers with children. And I was going like, how is going to happen, the children and so forth, you know, because every mother, they are all protective to their children. But they did accept me with happiness, and also the children, they did welcome me. So the whole family did welcome me. Praxis have been giving me money to eat, to provide me with some money to buy some things which I need. And eventually we have just come a family now.
Well, we had a spare room temporarily in our house, and we came across the hosting project and heard about it, and I thought that would be a great way to make use of an empty room, and also for us to get sort of engaged in supporting people that doesn't have recourse to public funds.
Alexandra introduced me to the idea, and I think initially it seemed strange, but once I'd asked a few questions of Praxis and thought it through, it really just felt like, why not? Contact that we had from Praxis reassured us when it came to the logistics of having someone here, and we had a member of the team come and talk to us and Tabby as a group, and that was done very openly.
We were providing a room for Tabby, and Praxis was providing other types of support, so we shouldn't have to worry about that, and that was really good. That was spoken openly about in this meeting, where everything was put down in a contract and signed and agreed by everyone.
Actually, it's been fabulous having Tabby.
Yeah.
Yeah.